Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a parking brake malfunction on a Toyota RAV4. First, observe your vehicle's behavior to pinpoint the exact problem. Is the brake not engaging, or is it stuck on? Look for any illuminated warning lights on your dashboard, as these can offer crucial clues. Before proceeding, always ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands. This initial assessment is vital for a successful repair. Many parking brake issues stem from common culprits. Begin by visually inspecting the parking brake cables running from the lever to the rear wheels. Look for any signs of fraying, stretching, or kinks that could impede their function. Next, check the rear brake calipers. Ensure they are not seized and move freely. Corrosion or accumulated road debris can often prevent proper operation, so clean any affected areas thoroughly. Depending on your diagnosis, several repairs might be necessary. If the cable tension is incorrect, you can often adjust it at the equalizer or the lever itself, typically requiring a 10mm wrench. Severely damaged or seized cables must be replaced entirely, a process that usually takes about 2 to 3 hours. For electronic parking brakes, a faulty actuator might need servicing or replacement, which can be a more complex task. After completing any repairs, it is crucial to thoroughly test the parking brake. With the vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake and attempt to gently move the vehicle. It should hold firmly without any slippage. Repeat this test several times to confirm consistent engagement. Finally, reassemble any removed interior panels or components, ensuring everything is secure and functioning correctly for your peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.